So I create videos quickly on YouTube, and oftentimes I have some tracks running in the background. How do I find those tracks quickly? First of all, I already have some that I use, but let me show you where you can get some for free. You go to YouTube Studio, and I'm on my dashboard right now, but if I were to go to my audio library, then you can see that there's like thousands of songs to choose from. I do have some that are already pre-starred so that you can use, and then you can easily from there download them. Or you can look for new music as well, and there are sound effects as well. So let's go ahead and find a new song. And so first of all, when using this work, I'm going to click on the licensing. You can use the audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. So that's good to know that you can just use these songs. YouTube may credit the artist and link the audio library from your video, no problem. You may not make available, distribute, or perform the music files from this library separately from videos or other content info which you have incorporated these music files, and that's fine. You're just using it for that one video anyway. So first of all, you can search for the song using this library. It kind of looks like Google over here. You can kind of select by the type of mood that you want. So there's like calm. If you want to look for songs that are all calm, it will put that into the search. Now that all the songs are calm music, but it could have been funky music, bright music. Personally, I like bright music. Also, you can choose genres from pop to ambient to so many others, or a combination thereof. And then let's go ahead. Let's listen to, let's say, Purple Desire. I'm just choosing this at random once again. Alright, let's say I like that song, then all I gotta do is go over here to download, press download, and you can see that that song is there. And then the next time I make a video, I could just drag that song track into the video, and I now have a track that I'm able to use that sounds pretty good, sounds pretty professional, and was also free. Once again, I'm not a lawyer or anything like that, so that's how I make videos so quickly.